Welcome to CSEGuru. In this session, we will discuss the topic Operating Systems VTU Model Question Paper 2024 Solution. We are going to discuss a problem under Page Replacement Algorithm. Question number 7c. Consider the page reference string. This is the given reference string for a memory with 3 frames. Determine the number of page faults using FIFO replacement algorithm, optimal and LRU replacement algorithm. Which algorithm is efficient? This is a 8-mark question. Now, in this session, we are going to discuss about LRU replacement algorithm. So, LRU is nothing but least recently used page replacement algorithm, and this is the reference string. Already, we have discussed what is page replacement and what is demand paging, what is page fault, what is page hit, and the first replacement algorithm, FIFO, already we have discussed. I will provide the link in the description for your reference. In this session, we will discuss least recently used page replacement algorithm for this given reference string. So, the page reference string given is 107, 102, 123, 032, 40, 3621. This is the reference string. So the concept here is whichever the page the process wants to execute, that should bring into main memory during execution, and whenever it is not required, it need to move back to the secondary storage. This process is called swap in and swap out. The required page you need to swap in into the main memory, and if it is not required, you need to swap out from the main memory. When you need to swap in the sense, if the reference string is not available in main memory, page fault will occur. So whenever page fault occurs, you need to select one page as the victim page, and that should be swapped out from the main memory, and the required page you need to swap in from the secondary memory to the main memory. So this process you need to continue. And here the victim page you will select using least recently used page replacement algorithm. Okay. So here they have given 3 frames, frame 1, frame 2 and then frame 3. Okay. Initially the page reference is 1. This page reference is not available in main memory. Initially it will not be available. Okay. Whichever it is required, you need to swap in from secondary memory to main memory. So page reference string 1 is not available, swap in into the main memory. So this will be considered as a page fault. So page fault in the sense cross we will use, page hit in the sense tick mark you will use. Okay. So page 1 we have swapped in into the main memory. Next page reference string is 0. It is not available in main memory. So swap in into main memory. This will be considered as a page fault. Next page reference string is 7. 7 is not available in main memory. So bring it into main memory. Now there are only 3 frames. If the page fault occurs without any replacement, directly we will happen from secondary storage to main memory without any replacement. Okay. Next step onwards, replacement is required. Among these 3 frames, if the required string is available in the sense, no need to replace anything. If the required page is not available in the sense, you need to swap out from main memory one page and swap in the required page. Okay. Which one you need to swap out? That will be decided by LRU algorithm. So here the reference string is 1. It is available. So this will be considered as a page hit. No need to swap out. Okay. 0. This is available. So no need to swap out anything. Next. 2. It is not available. So, which page you need to select as a victim page to swap out? That decision will be taken by least recently used. You need to check the past. Recently, which one is used least? That you select as a victim page. 0, recently used. Next to recent, page 1. Next to recent is 7. So, among these 3, least recently used is page 7. So, select as a victim page and replace. Okay, so this is also a page hit, right? Next, 1, 0, 2. So, 7 is swapped out from main memory to secondary memory, and 2 you need to swap in from secondary memory to main memory. So, this is a page fault. Okay, 1 it is available. So, 1, 0, 2. This is a page hit. Okay. So what is the concept of LRU in the sense? Recently used pages in the near future also we may use. So don't select the recently used pages as a victim page. Least recently used page, that page you need to select as a victim page to replace. That is the concept of LRU replacement algorithm. Okay. So 2 if you are considering it is available, this will be considered as a page hit. So 1, 0, 2. Next, page 3, it is not available. So least recently used in the sense, here 2 is recently used. Next is 1. So 2 and 1 you should not replace. So the victim page is 0. You need to consider, that is, you need to consider from the reference string, you need to consider the past. Okay, 2 is recently used, next recently used is 1 and the least recently used is 0. Likewise, you need to consider. Okay, so now the victim page is 0. So replace with 3. Okay, and this is a page fault. Next, 0. It is not available. Okay, so least recently used in the sense 3 is recently used, next recently used is 2, next least recently used is 1. So the victim page is 1, replace with 0. So 0, 3, 2 you will get it, and this will be considered as a page fault. Next, 3 if you are considering reference string is available in frame number 2, so this will be considered as a page hit. And 2, it is available, this is also a page hit. It is available in frame number 3. And 4, it is not available among these 3 frames. Page reference 4 is not available among these 3 frames. So 2 is recently used, 3 is next recent, 0 is least recently used. So select 0 as the victim page and replace with 4. So 4, 3, 2 you will get, this is a page fault because the reference page is not available among these 3 frames. Next is 0, it is not available, this is a page fault. So least recently used in the sense 4 recently used, next recently used is 2, least recently used is 3. So the victim page is 3, replace with 0. So 4, 0, 2 you will get it. Next page reference string is 3. It is not available among these 3 frames. So this will be considered as a page fault. Least recently used in the sense 0, 4, 2. So 2 is least recently used. So replace with 3. So you will get it as 4, 0, 3. Next, 6. Reference string is not available among these 3 frames. This will be considered as page fault. So which one you have to select? 3 first. 3 is recently used, 0 next to recent, least recently used is 4. So replace with 4. So 6, 0, 3. And next page reference string is 2. 2 is not available among these 3 frames. This will be considered as a page fault. Least recently used in the sense 6, 3, 0. So 0 you have to select it and replace with 2. So replace with 2. So 6, 2, 3 you will get it. Okay, this is a page fault. And 1, least 1, it is not available among these 3 frames. So least recently used here is 3. 2 recently used, next recent is 6, and the least recently used is 3. So victim page is 3, replace with 1. Okay, and this is also a page fault. So the number of page faults here, if you are considering in the sense 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, similarly, page hit, if you are considering in the sense, it is 2, 4, 6. Okay, next you need to find page fault ratio. So what do you mean by page fault ratio? That is number of page fault divided by number of reference string into 100. So here number of page fault is 12 divided by number of reference string given here is totally 18 into 100. So you will get it as page fault ratio is 66.6% you will get it. Similarly, page hit ratio is number of page hit divided by number of reference string into 100. So number of page hit, if you are considering it is 6, and the number of reference string given here is 18 into 100. That is 33.3 percentage. So here if you are considering page hit ratio is 33.3 percentage, page fault ratio is 66.6 percentage. So here comparatively page fault ratio is very high in least recently used page replacement algorithm. Thank you for watching this video.